In this ChatGPT Atlas versus Google Chrome video, I'm breaking down everything that you need to know before choosing any of these two browsers. For most of us, Google Chrome has been the default choice for years. Fast, reliable, and works with everything. But OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Atlas, claiming they've reimagined what a web browser should be. So should you actually switch? Here's the thing. Chrome isn't sitting still. Google has been aggressively integrating AI features into Chrome, and they're working on making it an agentic browser too. So we're comparing two different approaches to AI-powered browsing. Let's start with Chrome's dominance. Chrome owns about 65% of the browser market. It's incredibly fast, has extensions for everything, syncs seamlessly across devices, and just works reliably. If you're in Google's ecosystem with Gmail, Drive, and Docs, Chrome feels natural. Chrome used to follow a 20-year-old paradigm: tabs, URL bar, bookmarks. But that's changing. When you search in Chrome now, you'll see an AI-generated summary right at the top. Chrome has AI mode, bringing Gemini's capabilities directly into the browser. And here's the important part. Google is making Chrome an agentic browser. This is already rolling out to US users. Once it goes global, Chrome will have AI assistance, agent mode, and its massive ecosystem advantage combined. This means Atlas and other AI browsers can't just match Chrome's AI features. They need genuinely unique innovations to give people reasons to switch. ChatGPT Atlas takes a different approach. Instead of just displaying the web, Atlas tries to understand what you're doing and actively help. The interface is built around conversational AI. When you open a new tab, you see an AI assistant that knows your browsing history, understands context, and can take actions for you. In Chrome, when researching a topic, you open multiple tabs, read articles, copy information into a doc, and synthesize everything yourself. In Atlas, you just ask questions as you browse. The side panel stays with you on every page. You can say, summarize this article, or how does this compare to what I read earlier? Atlas understands context across everything you've seen. The search experience differs too. Chrome displays AI summaries at the top of search results now, giving synthesized answers before you click through. Atlas gives AI-generated answers with citations, plus tabs for web results, images, videos, or news. When you click a link in Atlas, the page opens in split view, with ChatGPT still beside it. You can keep asking questions without losing context. For agent features, Chrome is developing agentic capabilities with Gemini integration already available to US users and rolling out gradually. In Atlas, agent mode lets ChatGPT control your browser right now. It can click buttons, fill forms, navigate tabs, and complete multi-step tasks. Imagine booking a flight, comparing prices, adding it to your calendar, and emailing details. Without agent mode, that's manual work. In Atlas, you describe what you want, approve the agent, and watch it handle everything. Is this perfect? No. Agent mode can make mistakes. But once Chrome's agent capabilities roll out globally, Atlas will need more than feature parity to justify its existence. Here's my honest take. Chrome is the safe choice. It's what you know, has everything you need, and with AI features being integrated and agent capabilities coming, Chrome is becoming smarter while maintaining existing advantages. Atlas is ambitious, trying to fundamentally change how we interact with the web. But it's new, with rough edges and missing features. Now, I need to be transparent. I've tested Atlas extensively, and I've also spent time with Perplexity's Comet browser. In my opinion, Comet does everything Atlas promises and does it better. The interface is cleaner, performance is smoother, pricing makes more sense, and the overall experience feels more polished. Comet has had more time to refine its approach. If you're genuinely looking for an AI-native browser right now, I think Comet is the better choice. I've made a detailed video comparing Comet versus Atlas, breaking down all differences in interface, features, performance, and usability. That video is linked in the description. Also, if you download Comet through my link in the description and make your first search, you'll get Perplexity Pro worth $20 absolutely free. This is a limited time offer, so you'll want to grab it as quickly as possible before it disappears. That's a substantial upgrade that unlocks even more powerful features. My recommendation? If you're on Mac, download Atlas and try it for a week. Keep Chrome installed. But also download Comet and compare all three. You might find Comet hits the sweet spot between Chrome's reliability and Atlas's AI ambitions. Chrome isn't going away. Google has invested too much, and now they're adding AI features that made alternatives interesting in the first place. But competition is good. Atlas and Comet existing pushes Chrome to innovate faster. The browser wars are heating up again, and this time it's about fundamentally rethinking how we interact with information online. Chrome is evolving from within, Atlas is trying to disrupt from outside, and Comet is quietly building what might be the best execution of the AI browser concept. Let's see where this goes. So that was all. If you want to watch a video on 11 insane use cases for Comet, just click the video appearing on your screen.